Even Paul says, I am boasting for Christ, not for myself. There was this story about this beggar who wears an old rag, old rugged rag as his clothing. So nandun lang siya, he stands outside of the palace. Then one day there was an announcement. The king said, there will be a grand banquet. And everyone is invited who can wear a good royal robe. So everyone who has a royal robe is invited to eat with the king. So the beggar heard the announcement, but sad to say, he doesn't have any royal robe. Because he's a beggar. All he has was this rugged rags. So what he did was, he approached the king. And somehow the king gave him an audience. And the beggar said, King, I want to attend your banquet. But somehow I don't have a royal robe. Can you give me one? And the king somehow listened to his request. And then the king said, okay, why don't you go to one of my sons who is the prince, one of my sons, and let him give you one royal robe. So good enough, the beggar went to the prince. And the prince said, I want to attend your father's banquet, but I don't have a cloth. So somehow the prince gave him a royal robe. So he took off his rags, filthy, dirty rags, and he put on a royal robe. And the prince said, okay, that royal robe will not be destroyed. And you don't need to bring it back to me. It is yours. Sabi ganyan ng Wow. So bless yung beggar. Sabi niya, now I can attend the king's banquet. But somehow he doubted. Sabi niya, totoo nga kaya na hindi masisira itong robe ko? Then he looked again at his dirty, filthy rags. So he took his filthy clothing with him still while he attended the king's banquet, still clinging to his filthy rags. So while he was eating, some of the food, delicious food, passed by him because he cannot take it because he's still clinging to his filthy rags. And then what happened was, he did not enjoy a lot of the blessings just because he wants to cling on to his filthy rags. Do you know that sometimes that story is true to many Christians? Just refusing to let go of our old life robs us of a lot of blessings that we are supposed to enjoy. Right? You remember when Jesus resurrected Lazarus? And when Lazarus went out of the tomb, what was the first instruction of Jesus to Lazarus? Take off his dead clothings. Okay? Kasi may balot siya ng patay eh. Hindi makakakilos. Siguro si Lazarus eh pag ganun-ganun eh. Kaya nakabalot eh. Buhay nga. Nakabalot. Parang naman suman. Di ba? Hello, buhay na po ako. But, listen to me. He will not enjoy his resurrected life unless he take out his clothing for the dead. Hello? Yung mga damit nating pampatay at mga pambig. Alam niyo yung mga damit na pambig? Mga damit na pamburol. Let us take off our dead clothing from among us. Amen? Yung mga mentalidad na tayo anak pa rin ng demonyo. Yung ating mentalidad na tayo hindi uunlad. Yung mga mentalidad na tayo hindi po yayaman. Yung mga mentalidad na tayo maghihikaw sa buhay. Tanggalin na po. Yan yung mga old clothing Kaya hindi makalipad. Sabi nga, ang ganda nito nabasa ko. The that has been transformed into a butterfly will never crawl again. Hello?
Amen.
Hello?
Amen.
Kung dati tayo uod pa lang. Napunta sa cocoon. Right? Ngayong butterfly ka na, huwag ka nang gumapang. Dapat ka nang lumipad.
Amen.
Hello?
Amen.
Kung tayo nung araw na makasalanan tayo naghihikahos, gapang lang tayo ng gapang. Ngayon po, tayo pinapalipad na ng Panginoon dahil hindi na tayo uod. Tayo po yung mga butterfly na.
Amen.
Hello? It's not sinking in. Is it?
Amen.
Amen.
We should get rid of that